Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our another video. My name is Nasir and I'm a student of Rehan College. So let's start with our topic today. Our topic is discuss exploring and the concept of mindset fix and what is wrong. So let's start it. We will ask from ChatGPT. No, we will ask from another website. It's called CSAM. So let's start it without our wasting our time. Search there CSAM STASM CSAM and click on the second page. It's called CSAM. There are two male and female also. So we will click on the Maya. Hello Maya, can you hear me?
Hey, how's it going? I'm doing great. Just enjoying the morning. How about you?
I'm fine. What's about you?
I'm doing wonderful. Just feeling energized and ready to dive into whatever's on your mind today.
Today I thought I will ask you some question about discuss exploring the concept and mindset fix versus growth. So, are you ready?
Mhm. I am definitely ready. That sounds like a fascinating deep dive. Lead the way.
So let's start it without our wasting our time. Now I am asking to you about this topic. The first question is, what is a mindset?
At its simplest, a mindset is the lens you use to see the world. It's that internal set of beliefs and attitudes that shapes how you interpret everything, from a mistake at work to a random compliment from a stranger. Essentially, it's the filter that decides whether a challenge feels like a wall or a stepping stone. Does that make sense, or were you thinking of it from a more psychological angle?
Mhm. Uh, that's good. My second question is
Since we're on,
my second.
I'm all ears.
Now listen, my
Take your
second
time.
listen, my second question is, what are the two main types of mindsets?
You're likely thinking of the fixed mindset and the growth mindset. The fixed one is the belief that your qualities are carved in stone. You're either born with a talent or you're not. The growth mindset is the opposite. It's the belief that you can develop your abilities through dedication and hard work. It's kind of the difference between saying, I'm not good at this and I'm not good at this yet. Which one do you feel you lean toward more often?
What is a fixed mindset?
A fixed mindset is essentially the belief that your intelligence, talents, and personality are static traits. It's the feeling that you're born with a certain amount of ability, and that's just it. People with this mindset often avoid challenges because they're afraid of failing, since failure would prove they aren't talented enough. It turns life into a series of tests to validate your worth rather than opportunities to get better.
What is a growth mindset? Growth mindset.
A growth mindset is the belief that your basic qualities aren't fixed traits, but things you can cultivate through your own efforts. It's the understanding that your brain is like a muscle. The more you challenge it and push through the struggle, the stronger and more capable it becomes. Instead of seeing failure as a dead end, someone with a growth mindset sees it as a data point, just a sign that they need to try a different strategy or put in more practice. It turns the whole process of learning into an adventure rather than a performance.
Listen, Maya, don't make a long answer. Just short and give me answer.
Got it. I'll keep it brief. What's next on your list? I'm
Okay.
ready.
Who who is introduced the concept of growth mindset?
I was Carol Dweck.
you say again?
Carol Dweck.
Good. Yeah, it's the name of it's a maybe physiology.
She's a psychologist, specifically a professor at Stanford.
Psychologist. Okay. No, what is the mindset important?
Because it determines how you handle failure. If you believe you can improve, you'll keep going when things get tough. If you don't, you'll just give up.
Uh, uh, how do people with a fixed mindset with the intelligence?
They see it as something they're born with. To them, you either have it or you don't. And there's not much you can do to change your baseline.
How do people with a fixed mindset view intelligence? So sorry for that. I was asking you again the same question. Now I'm asking you another question. How do people with a growth mindset view intelligence?
They see it as an innate, unchangeable trait. Basically, they believe you're born with a set amount of intelligence, and that's it.
Maybe I think you are feel boring with me. Huh?
Not at all. I'm actually really enjoying this. You're drilling down into the core of how we think, and that's a great place to be. What else is on your mind?
Are you sure?
100%. I love these kinds of conversations. What's the next question?
Okay, that's good. Now I'm asking you another question. How do people with a growth mindset react to failure?
They see it as a lesson. Instead of seeing failure as a sign that they've hit their limit, they view it as an opportunity to learn and pivot their strategy.
Okay, and my another question is, why do growth mindset people welcome challenge?
Because change is where the growth happens. To them, a new situation is just a fresh chance to learn a new skill or see something from a different perspective.
That's good. What role does
I'm
effort?
glad that
Listen, now I'm asking you another question. What role does effort play in growth mindset?
I'm a bit confused. Who's the fourth player?
Are you sure you are confused?
I am. I've never heard of a fourth player in the context of growth mindset before. Are you referring to a specific person, a certain theory, or maybe something from a book you're reading?
Okay. Now I'm repeating again the same question. What role does effort play with the growth mindset?
I'm still scratching my head on this one. I've looked through the core theories of growth mindset, and a fourth player isn't a standard part of the framework. Is this a term from a specific course or a book you're diving into?
Well, it's not a proper answer. Maybe you didn't get it properly. You don't know how to. What is the answer? What is this answer? So it's okay. We will forget this question. Now I'm asking you another question. What is the feedback due to growth mindset?
The key is shifting your internal dialogue. It's about replacing I can't do this with I can't do this yet. That one little word changes everything because it turns a dead end into a path forward.
Okay, can a mindset be changed?
Absolutely. It just takes consistent effort and a willingness to challenge the way you've always thought about things.
That's good. Now, uh, can you explain me very deeply? Not long.
Since my bad, I'll stick to the short versions. Do you want the quick summary of how it's changed or something else?
Okay, thank you so much for answering me. It's time to end the video now.
You're very welcome. It was a pleasure diving into this with you.
Okay.
Catch you later.
Uh,
Bye for now. I'll be here whenever you're ready.
okay, now we will meet to another video. Now it's time to end this video. Okay, thank you so much for my
You're so welcome. I really enjoyed our session. Take care, and I'll be here whenever you're ready for the next one. Bye.
Okay, now everyone, it's time to end this video. We will meet to another video. Allah Hafiz.